never ever find the right words. And there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
Welcome back to the channel. So I'm driving right now. I'm heading up to work currently. It's Monday. Really sketch, to be honest, with all this rain that's happening right now, especially up here towards the mountains. This is kind of what I've always said when I'm driving to work. It's just always explain how it's like a 4-hour drive, and it's kind of like really bad, especially like this. Luckily the season is coming to an end, so I'll be getting laid off pretty soon. And I won't have to be worrying about these kind of drives. Right now it's like extremely bad. But getting down to the video, as you guys can tell by the title, this is going to be a video on my worst dealer experience. This isn't a video where I'm just talking. I basically recorded the bits and pieces while I was there at the dealership. Now, with that being said, as you guys seen, I have my GT500, and buying the GT500 was the best dealership experience I've ever had, and this is going to be the worst when I was looking at a 2003 Terminator white, Oxford white, and man, it was really bad. The guy said that it was ready to go, ready to sell basically, so I drove all the way out there. I think it was like a 4-hour drive, and there was cobwebs on the car. It was parked in a bush, like the back of it, the rear end was in a, actually, it backed up into a bush, and then there was like rusting on it. It was just like really bad. Now in the video, I kind of sound, you know, obviously I'm still happy that I'm looking at a freaking Termy in the first place, but I was really disappointed, and I'll go ahead and talk more about it afterwards. So go ahead and enjoy the clips. With that being said, I'll go ahead and meet you guys here once that portion is done. Immediately saw it. There's cobwebs back here. Bumper's a little loosey-goosey. Oh, dude. Yeah, I know what's happening here. But this could be just lost gem in the lot.
I need to jump start the battery is dead.
Alright guys, we're out here in Fremont. We're in a nice little dealership out here. It's everything's bumper to bumper basically. Really small lots out here. But we're looking at this 2003 Cobra. It looks clean overall. It's just kind of sitting over there by the bushes. So that's kind of the negative aspect of it. Looks like we might be getting some rust on the pulley over here. Unfortunately, a lot of webs. So that means it's been sitting for a while, which is understandable again because it's just bumper to bumper out here. The battery is dead, so we want to go get a starter for it.
Try again. Try now.
Alright guys, so it's still dead. You want to go get the battery charger right now, and unfortunately the battery charger was low powered, but this is what we have right now.
Just give it like 10-15 minutes so you can have enough juice to start it. Try now and you can. Yeah. So take the key out, put it here on the top. Give it like 10 minutes. Yeah, the battery is dead, man. Yeah, we need to replace it. Yeah, I know the car isn't even ready, you know. But let's go inside, see what you. I mean, what's on your mind? You're doing the day Cobra hunting.
Basically, yeah.
So you got a check to the guy you're gonna buy from. Okay. So well, the car isn't ready yet, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Hopefully by the end of next week. Okay. Need to change the battery and it's not smoked yet. That's the
Okay.
thing. My colleague's taking care of it. I don't know in detail. By the way, the wiper arms are in the trunk. We bought it without it, so we bought them. They're in the trunk. I didn't show it. You leave your name and number with me? You know, you're still in the process. I mean, still looking, yeah?
Yeah.
Cobra. Stick your name on the board, man. Okay.
Okay, welcome back. So, as you guys saw the video, basically nothing happened in the car. You can hear him in the end. Basically, you can rewind if you want. But he throws my name at the bottom of a list. And basically, why the hell have me go out there 4 hours driving there? Then I have to do a 4-hour drive back, obviously. So I go all the way out there for nothing, just to get my name on a bottom of a list after you told me the car was ready, when obviously it wasn't. So as you guys saw, I mean, I kind of showed you guys my best that I could at the time. That, you know, it basically had cobwebs. It was parked in the back of the bush, like I said, and it was just, you know what I mean? You see it. You see, like, would you want to buy that car? I mean, in all honesty, it looked good overall. Like, yeah, there's a lot of things that are wrong with it. I mean, if you got it for a really cheap price, but the person had it up for like 19,000. So with I think it had like over, if I recall, it had over 120,000 miles. And there it is. Oh man. Yeah, it's really bad right now, man. I might call it quits on this video, guys. Honestly, it's really bad. Damn. Could have been it right there, man. This is not how I want to go out. I do not want to have to go out in my Accord driving to work because of freaking rain. So this is not the way I want to go out. So I was out. Oh shit, man. So as I was saying, I have 2 other videos that are basically waiting to come out. This is the first one, and then I have 2 others that I looked at, the Cobras. So this one, again, was the worst dealership experience I've ever had. And this is the 2003 Oxford White Cobra. And then the second one is gonna be 700 and wheel horsepower, 2004 with 25,000 miles, black Cobra. It was awesome. It looked beautiful. And then that one fell through because it didn't pass smog and all this other stuff. Then I have the one that I was looking at recently, which was a completely stock, except I think it had the pulley, obviously. I mean, that's one of the things that every Cobra owner has done, practically. They always do the pulley, smaller pulley. Other than that, completely stock with only 8,000 miles, and it got state refed as I was looking at it. So those 2 videos will be coming out. Stay tuned for those. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I mean, that dealer really pissed me off. And again, in the video, you could tell, like, I'm still kind of trying to be, I guess, not negative, you know. I'm trying to be happy about it, but definitely it hurt, you know what I mean? Like, he wasted my time. 4 hours driving there, 4 hours driving back, and it was just a huge waste of time. So with that being said, really appreciate you guys watching the video. Love you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and try to make it home, or try to make it to work safe, so I can make it home safe, basically. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys. Really appreciate the love. Peace out.